Do, re, mi. Sing and learn with Zoe.
Hello, friends, and welcome to Do, Re, Mi. I'm Zoe, and I'm so glad that you could join me today for our 5th piano lesson. It's funny that this is our 5th piano lesson because we're going to be using all these fingers today. If you celebrate Christmas, a very, very Merry Christmas to you. Today is extra special because today we are going to be playing Jingle Bells. That's a song I'm pretty sure you've heard before. It's a really fun one. Now, for Jingle Bells, we're going to be playing on white keys. We are going to be playing in what is called C position. C position is when your thumb of your right hand is going to be on the C key. Then from there, all your other fingers will just line up right after it. So if your thumb is on C and we're going up the piano, we're just moving C, D, E, F, and G. Now, we're not going to worry about letters yet besides finding C, because we need to know where C is to place our hand on the piano. But after that, we'll be using our finger numbers, so don't worry. To find C on the piano, you look for the group of 2 black keys. Then, it is the white key before the group of 2 black keys. That is where you're going to put your thumb. Then line up each finger after that and place it on the piano. So, right now on the piano we have fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're using all 5 fingers. Now for Jingle Bells, we have quarter notes, which equal 1 beat, half notes, which equal 2 beats, and at the very end again, we have a whole note, which gets 4 beats. So make sure to hold that one down for me. So if we are in C position, we are going to start with finger 3. We actually play finger 3 a lot in this song. So it's going to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Sounding a little familiar? Good. So that first line, I think you could do so nicely. That won't be tricky. The next line is a little bit trickier. For the next line, we have 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. I think the hardest part is going from finger 3 to your pinky to finger 5 because you have to jump over finger 4. Now, when we're in C position, we're staying in this position. You do not need to move your hand anywhere once you have your hand placed down in C position. So you just have to remember which finger number is which. So 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. And that's the whole thing. Let's go from the beginning. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3. Not too bad, right? And this is all played with just the right hand in C position. Let's put on these words. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Good job! Let's do it one more time. Oh, I love this song. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Great job. You did so well today playing in C position and starting to play with our white keys. This would be a really good song when you're spending time with your family on Christmas to show off and play for everyone. I hope you had so much fun today learning some of Jingle Bells. and I can't wait to see you again. Happy holidays!